Welcome to Shimoku. In this session, we will explore how to leverage artificial intelligence functions to train a model focused on predicting customer churn probability. That is, identifying which customers are at risk of discontinuing the use of a product or service. To achieve this, we will utilize a specific data set designed to better understand the characteristics and behaviors of customers that influence their decision to continue or discontinue a service. Firstly, we will thoroughly examine our provided dataset to understand its content and how it can be applied to a churn prediction use case. This CSV file contains customer information that will be useful for training our model. Each row represents a customer, while the columns encompass various aspects such as location, lifetime value, marketing interactions, and details about their insurance policies, such as coverage type, education level, income, and more. These data can influence the customer's decision to either churn or continue with the service. Using this information, an AI model can be trained to predict churn and assist the company in taking proactive measures to retain at-risk customers. To advance in the training process of our churn prediction model and its implementation in code, we will first initialize the Shimoku client, configure our workspace, and prepare the environment for analysis. Next, as a second step, we will proceed to load our dataset sample training dataset CSV into Shimoku, preparing it for training. We will use the AI.createInputFiles function to upload our data, ensuring that any data frame index is not included in the final CSV file and encoding the content for proper interpretation by the API. Following the flow in the third step, we will invoke the training function specifying key parameters such as the AI function name, train classification, the desired name for our model, churn insurance, the name of the table where our data is located, training insurance, the target columns for prediction, churn, the modeling strategy, predictor, and the columns uniquely identifying our records, customer. This will initiate the training process of our model in the Shimoku backend. In the fourth step, we monitor the model training, which can take time with a limit of attempts and waiting time. We attempt to obtain results. If successful, it stops. Otherwise, a failure message is displayed. Finally, in the fifth and last step, we will access the model results by collecting the output files generated by the training process. We will iterate over these files, reading them into data frames for easy visualization and analysis. This tutorial is just an example of how technology and data analysis can be leveraged to solve complex business problems. Shimoku offers a robust platform for data analysis and AI model implementation, helping companies make data-driven decisions. Don't forget to visit Shimoku's networks for more information, tips, and tutorials on how to maximize the value of your data. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. Until our next meeting, where we will continue exploring new ways to apply artificial intelligence and data analysis to transform businesses.